Today we'll be making a banana peel tea to help encourage hair growth and to stop a dry and itchy scalp as well as dandruff. Cause y'all, I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks. As y'all know, I moved and my scalp is on fire. So let's go ahead and make this tea so I can go ahead and shampoo my hair. So we're going to begin by adding 2 cups of distilled water to a pot on the stove. And next you're going to go in with some bananas. Now it's best if you find bananas are a little bit older, but y'all, I didn't find any at the store, so I'm just going to go in with the most ripe banana as possible and then use 1 peel. Now you want to make sure that it is fully immersed in the water, so I added a little bit more water on top to make sure that the banana is fully submerged. Alright, next you want to go ahead and let that go to a rolling boil. Then you want to turn the heat down until it's just a simmer. Then you want to go ahead and let this banana cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. I turned off the heat and let it stand for another hour to get as much nutrients as possible from the banana peel. Next, go ahead and strain this into a container. You definitely want to strain this so you don't get any pieces of banana in the mixture. And there you have it, you guys. Now go ahead and decant this mixture into a container that you can easily spray on your hair. Okay, y'all, so don't be deceived. While my hair is very moisturized, it is beyond tangled. I am a little bit embarrassed because y'all, I'm about to show you what just attempting to part my hair looks like in the back. Just tangles galore, y'all. I actually really need to get back into doing something with you guys, maybe a light summer challenge. This was suggested to me because I cannot keep allowing my hair to become this matted and tangled whenever I get super busy. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this mixture onto my hair, and let me tell you a little bit more about banana peels. So banana peels are rich in vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and copper. And actually steeping the bananas actually helps to release the vitamin B6 and potassium. And the longer you steep it, the more and higher concentrations you'll get of it in the tea. Now this tea is also really great to drink as it helps to improve heart health and also helps you to get to sleep faster as well as build a healthy immune system. Now, the vitamins A, C, and E are rich antioxidants that help to neutralize free radicals from the environment, such as through stress and pollution, that can actually damage the hair, make it brittle and dry, and cause premature graying. So this helps to neutralize some of those effects. Also, the potassium in the bananas helps to soften the hair strands and improve hair growth. In addition, bananas are rich in silica, and silica is important for the synthesis of collagen, and we know that protein is a building block of hair, and it helps to produce strong, bouncy, and healthy hair. In addition, bananas also are great to help fight dandruff. Not only do they have the antioxidant properties, but they also contain antibacterial properties that actually help fight some of the fungus and bacteria that can feed and exacerbate dandruff symptoms. Additionally, the properties found in bananas actually help to strengthen the hair follicles, which can result in stronger, longer hair over time. So make sure when you're applying this mask all over your hair, focus it on your scalp and then down the length of your hair, massaging it in. It's always great to massage these nutrients and benefits in for at least 10 to 15 minutes when doing a mask. Now, y'all, I did read online that actually bananas can help have your skin glowing and beautiful. So let me know if you would like a video on how to use bananas for skincare. Okay, y'all, can we also just pause on this because I definitely cut my hair in late February, early March, and y'all, I have grown quite a few inches during this time. So my routine, I know, is working wonderful for me. Okay, so I'm going to leave the banana tea on my strands for about an hour and then rinse it off. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to go in with my oat and aloe shampoo bar. Go ahead and scrub my scalp. Y'all know my scalp needs a nice, good scrubbing as well as my hair. And I will actually shampoo my hair twice. One time on camera, the other time off camera for you guys. And then y'all know I'm going to go in with my oat and aloe deep conditioner. She is bae. She will get your strands rehydrated and ready again for a style. Now, because my hair was previously neglected, I left my hair with the deep conditioner under steam for about 1 hour. This left my strands nice, hydrated, and very soft. Now, y'all, this week I just used my own aloe leave-in conditioner and twist cream. I didn't show the process, but I put my hair into about 12 twists and I will actually just tie up the twist for the night. Y'all know I'm actually going to probably be doing a protective style this week since I have been wearing my hair out for quite a little while. Okay, so it's the morning and I left my hair in the twist. Y'all know I need to leave my hair alone and a little break right now, which kind of goes into the next thing I wanted to say. Earlier I mentioned that there was interest in doing another challenge for this summer. Now this would be an easy challenge, of course it would be Ayurvedic focused, but let me know down below if that's something you're interested in. If there is enough interest, I will do a poll here on YouTube, and then I'll do a poll as well in my Facebook group, so make sure you're following and join that group so you guys can vote on what type of challenge you would like. Also let me know if you want the recipe I use to get bomb glowing skin using banana peels. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye. I just want